This is my vintage mint condition service box fan made by Air King. This came with its original box when I got it. It is a 3-speed, and according to the tag up here, we have a 2.7 amp motor. It is a catalog number S-20, and yeah. This has basically the same style grill as my Air King PL20P box fans do, which are metal bladed, and I also have the boxes for both of those. So the paint is in perfect condition on this fan. No slats missing on the front grill. The rear grill has only one slat missing. So it's in very good shape. It's got the original handle. It's just a bit dusty right now because it's been sitting. I have taken the blade off and taken the motor apart and cleaned it out, oiled it, and all that good stuff. Because when I got this fan, the motor was full of like plaster dust, and the bearings were very, very tight. Like it wouldn't even get up to full speed. So now it's running a lot better. Here's a view of the back. It does have the original cord and plug on it. So let's take a look at the motor. It looks sort of like a Macmillan motor. Let's see if I can focus in on any of that. So I'm not sure if this is a Macmillan motor. Kind of looks like one, looking at it from the back, but then you look at it from the side. It probably is, but I'm not exactly sure, because it looks different than the ones that I'm used to seeing. So it's nice and clean inside now. Those windings are nice and shiny, if you could actually be able to see them. Yeah, they're nice and shiny. So I'll turn it around and we'll start it up. Okay, let's start with high. Nice quiet low speed. Here's our amp draw when it's on low. Here's medium and high. And this fan blows a lot of air. It's very powerful. Spin down is really good. As you can see, the blade is a little off balance because it's spinning backwards, but it doesn't shake too bad. So, alright, I'll do some startup sounds now. Here's high. Here is medium. I love the color of this fan, the dark blue on the sides and then the light blue grills. And here is low. Alright, thanks for watching this video.